Have you ever wondered about the rich history hidden in the sands of Oman? Welcome to the mysterious land of Oman, an historical gem tucked away in the southeastern corner of the Arabian Peninsula. This country is a unique blend of ancient traditions and modern charm, where the mighty desert meets the azure coast. Its unique geographical location has always made it a strategic hotspot. Imagine this: the ancient trade routes of yesteryears, a bustling highway of commerce linking the far reaches of Asia, Africa, and Europe, crisscrossed right through this land. Oman was a vital junction, a meeting point for merchants and explorers, a melting pot of cultures and ideas. This extraordinary land is not just a geographical marvel, but also a repository of rich history. From the endless dunes of the Rub al-Khali Desert to the stunning beaches of Salalah, Oman's landscapes are as diverse as its history. Indeed, Oman's strategic location has shaped its unique history and culture. Take a step back in time to when Oman was known as Magan, a prosperous civilization dating back to 3000 BCE. In the heart of the Bronze Age, Magan was a name that echoed with wealth and prosperity. Its riches, copper, Oman's terrain, teeming with copper, became a conduit for trade and commerce. The ancient people of Oman skillfully unearthed this precious metal, casting it into tools, weapons, and a symbol of their thriving civilization. As copper's value surged, so did Oman's standing among the ancient civilizations. Trade routes sprawled across the land, sea, and desert, connecting Magan to powerful empires like Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley. Oman was not merely a passive player in this Bronze Age symphony, but a dynamic force, influencing and being influenced by these ancient cultures. The prosperity of copper mining and trade led to the emergence of organized tribal communities. These communities were the backbone of Omani society, each with its own unique traditions, cultures, and governance systems. They were more than just families sharing a common ancestry. They were intricate social and political units vital to the functioning of the Omani society. These early forms of government were characterized by a principle that remains fundamental to Omani society today: the shura, or consultation. Decisions were made collectively, with each member of the tribe having a say. This ancient practice of consensus-based decision-making is a testament to Oman's enduring commitment to inclusivity and dialogue. The story of ancient Oman is a tale of bold endeavors and resourceful people. It's a narrative of a land that harnessed its resources, fostered trade, and built a society founded on unity and cooperation. As we journey further into Oman's history, remember to subscribe to the UnityRoots YouTube channel for more intriguing updates. From its early beginnings, Oman has been a land of opportunity and growth. And this is just the beginning of our journey into the rich tapestry of Omani history. As centuries passed, Oman embraced Islam, and with it, a new era dawned. The 7th century brought a significant change to the Arabian Peninsula, and Oman was no exception. The introduction of Islam began a new chapter in Oman's rich history, marking the beginning of the Islamic Era. The Islamic faith, with its emphasis on unity and community, found fertile ground in the hearts of the Omani people. This period saw the establishment of the Imamate, a religious leadership based on the principles of Islam. Under the Imamate, Oman enjoyed a period of stability and growth, with the principles of the faith shaping the nation's culture and traditions. Parallel to the Imamate was the Sultanate, a political structure that maintained the balance of power. The Sultan, the secular leader, and the Imam, the religious leader, jointly governed the land. This unique dual leadership structure provided a harmonious blend of religious and secular governance, contributing to the overall stability of Oman. However, the tranquility of the Islamic era was disrupted in the 16th century when the Portuguese arrived on Oman's shores. Seeking to control the lucrative spice trade, the Portuguese occupied the coastal areas, including the strategic port city of Muscat. This occupation had a profound impact on Oman, bringing with it a period of conflict and resistance. The Portuguese occupation introduced European architectural styles and naval technologies to Oman. However, it also led to a period of unrest and struggle. The Omanis, determined to preserve their sovereignty, resisted the occupiers, leading to a series of battles that lasted for over 100 years. Despite these challenges, the spirit of the Omani people remained unbroken. They fought fiercely to regain control of their land, eventually driving the Portuguese out. The resilience displayed during this period is a testament to the Omani spirit, a spirit that has seen the nation through countless trials and tribulations. Despite the challenges, Oman persevered, maintaining its identity and traditions. This period of Oman's history, marked by the Islamic era and Portuguese occupation, serves as a reminder of the nation's resilience and unyielding spirit. Fast forward to the present day, where Oman stands as a testament to its resilient past. Under the progressive leadership of Sultan Qaboos bin Said, Oman has taken strides towards modernization while remaining firmly rooted in its rich history. The Sultan's reign, which began in the late 20th century, has been marked by economic growth, social reform, and a dedication to preserving Omani culture and heritage. When we speak of economic development, we're talking about a dramatic transformation from a developing country to a high-income economy. But it doesn't stop there. Social reforms have also been at the forefront, with health and education services seeing significant improvements. Yet amid this modernization, Oman hasn't lost sight of its past. Efforts to preserve Omani culture and heritage are evident in every corner of the nation, from its architecture to its music. From ancient Magan to modern Oman, the nation's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. So what does the history of Oman teach us? Well, it tells us a fascinating tale of resilience and adaptation, of a people who have weathered the sands of time and emerged stronger. It's a narrative that began in ancient times, with Oman's first inhabitants leaving their mark on the land. The country's journey through the Islamic era and Portuguese occupation is a testament to its ability to adapt and preserve its unique cultural heritage. And in modern Oman, we see a nation that's evolved while still holding on to its roots, a testament to its enduring spirit. The history of Oman is not just about the past, it's about the present and the future too. It's about learning from our ancestors, preserving our culture, and looking forward to what comes next. Indeed, the sands of Oman hold stories of a rich and diverse past waiting to be discovered. And don't forget to subscribe to the UnityRoots YouTube channel for more fascinating insights.